Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to configure DNS with Route 53. Route 53 is a DNS service provided by Amazon Web Services. It is highly reliable and available service from AWS. For the learning purpose, we are creating a domain called Dinostore, which is an online shopping site for buying dinosaurs online. Till now we have migrated our files and services from our local machine to the cloud in AWS. We have created a S3 bucket and we created DynamoDB for managing the session, and we upload all our files to the S3 buckets, and we created SQS, which is the queuing service provided by Amazon to queue our orders, and we created 3 EC2 instances, 2 instances for our web server and 1 instance for our queue server. We created auto scaling, which enable us to create new instances while one of our instances went down, and we created load balancers which will manage our traffic and help us to route properly to our instances. Now we want to have a proper routing from our cloud to the external domain, so we are using Route 53 for that. So we already used Visual Studio 2015 for the coding purposes and editing the files, and we are using MySQL 6.5, MySQL Workbench 6.5 for managing our orders and tables, our database. So these are the steps which we need to follow in this lab. First, we are going to create one hosted zone in Route 53, and we are going to host one domain, a live domain from external website, and we will route it properly to from our cloud to our external domain, and we will access our live domain with our Dinostore. So to start with our lab, just look at our AWS. This is the AWS console which I created for Dinostore. These are the 3 instances running, 1 queue server and 2 web servers. So let's go to the Route 53 service. If you're familiar with AWS, you know how to search Route 53 here. Yeah, this is the Route 53 service. As I already created one hosted zone, it is listed here. If you're new to this, you will get a create button here. Just create the hosted zone. You can also see the option here to register a domain by yourself using Amazon. You can see the prices listed here. We need to pay for our domains here, so I'm not going to pay for my domain as we are in a learning purpose. We can use external hosting providers. Freenome is one of the best sites which I found. So you can check your available services here. Dinostore is the website which we need. So to check for this domain, we can see the available domains listed here. We will have 2 free available domains here, dinostore.cf and dinostore.gq. You can see the premium ones. You can buy these domains if you want by paying $8.38. I'm not going to buy it. I just use these free domains. It will be available for 3 months, so you can use it for learning purposes. So I already purchased one domain here. From my domains, I will list the domain dinostore.tk, which is the domain I purchased from Freenome. These are the basic details of my domain. It's active now, manage domain. And in Route 53, just go to your hosted zone. You can create a new hosted zone here by giving your domain name, which is dinostore.tk, which I created. Just give your domain name here, dinostore.tk, or which is the domain name which you are using, and common you can leave it blank. Just choose the type as public and just create your domain here. So your hosted zone will be created like this, dinostore.tk public, and this is the host ID. You will list names. The list of the name servers will be listed here, and you just need to copy this name servers and paste it in a notepad so that we can use it later, and we can copy this name servers from here to to your live hosted domain. Just check, go to your domain, manage domains, and you can see your domain details here. Information from manage tools, you can get name servers. By default it will be tick this checkbox, and default name servers will be listed here. Just make it custom and give your name servers which you copied in the notepad before. Just copy one by one and paste it here. Change name servers and it will be saved in your free domain. So just after changing it, just go back to your AWS Route 53 and go to your record sets. By default 2 record sets will be created there, and just create a record set from here. Leave the namespace blank, it will get dinostore.tk by default, and type should be type A, IPv4 address, just keep it there. Alias, just check the yes button here and just choose your load balancer. The load balancer you created in your AWS will be listed here. So just select this load balancer and sync it with your domain. Just keep it root policy symbol and checkbox no, and just create. So your record set will be created here and will be listed like this. I have created this before, so it's already listed there. Now we need to access our website and check why it's working fine. For your information, just keep note that this dinostore.tk or whatever the domain you purchase, it will take sometimes, maybe half an hour, maybe 1 hour. It depends upon the service and verification time. So don't be afraid if you can't access your domain suddenly. Just go to your dinostore.tk and you can see the IIS Windows Server window here. If you find this blue window, make sure that your domain gets registered and is working fine now. So if it shows domain not found or any other message, just don't be afraid, don't be panic, just wait for some time and try it again. So now we are going to access our website. It's ready to access our live domain, dinostore.tk/net702.dinostore, which is the folder name which we created in our web server. In previous labs also we access our website through this folder. So in live domain also just give this folder name and try to access your website. It will be listening. Yeah, the website is loaded here properly here, and the server IP is listed here, which is the IP of our instance. Just refresh it and notice that the IP is changing, which means the load balancer is working properly in your live domain. So this is the Dinostore website which you created in your cloud and hosted in your live domain, dinostore.tk. Just check the images and the content. All the products are listed properly here, and just add one product to cart and check all the fields and all the buttons in your live domain and make sure that the site is working properly. Just place one order and check the order in your database. The orders will be listed in your database like this: the details of card number, expiry date, card type, all were listed here. So it's working properly with live domain also. So I hope this lab help you a lot to learn how to route your website to a live domain using Route 53 in AWS. So thank you for watching this video. Keep subscribing and find more videos. Thank you.